Good morning, my dear student. Today we are discussing one more topic. The topic is lipoproteins. So, what is the lipoprotein? Lipoproteins are a complexes, molecular complexes, molecular complexes consisting of the two words. One is the lipid and proteins. Lipids and proteins. The combination of the lipid and protein is known as a lipoproteins. Combination of a lipids and proteins is known as a lipoproteins. These two are the combined to form a involved in the transportation of a fat substances, and the next one energetic compounds is known as a lipoproteins. So lipoproteins, the lipoproteins, it classified into five types. The lipoproteins are classified into five types. What are their first one? The first one is the chylomicrons. First one is the chylomicrons. First one is the chylomicrons. So what is the chylomicrons? The chylomicrons are the synthesized in the intestine. These are the synthesized in the intestine. Synthesis in the intestine. Synthesized in the intestine and involved in the transportation of the exogenous compounds. Involved in the transportation of the exogenous compound. Transport of exogenous compounds and as well as the triglycerols also transported from various tissues, transported to various tissues. So transported to various tissues. So what is the chylomicrons? Chylomicrons are synthesized in the intestine. It is involved in the transportation of the exogenous compounds like a triglycerols to various tissues. The consisting of the chylomicrons consisting of the 99% of lipids and 1% of a proteins. 1% of proteins, 99% lipids, 1% proteins are there in consisting of the chylomicrons. The chylomicrons are the least in density and largest size and among the lipoproteins. This density is low density, and the next one it containing the it containing the large and high in size. Large or size is the large size. So this is about chylomicrons. And second classification, what is the second classification? VLDL. Second classification, VLDL. VLDL means very low density lipoproteins. Very low density lipoproteins. Very low density lipoproteins. So very low density lipoproteins are produced in the liver. It is synthesized in the liver. What chylomicrons are synthesized in the intestine. VLDL is synthesized in the liver. And the next one, it is mainly involved in the transportation of the endogenously synthesized triglycerols. Endogenous triglycerols are transferred to a tissues. So chylomicrons is synthesized in the intestine. Very low density lipoproteins are synthesized in the liver. It is the transportation of the exogenous triglycerol, but it one is the endogenous triglycerols are transferred to a tissues. The next one, third one classification is VLDL. Third one concept VLDL. The next one classification is LDL. LDL means low density lipoproteins. So what is the low density lipoproteins? They are formed in the VLDL in the blood circulation. It is produced from the VLDL. At the blood circulation time. They are transporting the cholesterol from liver to other tissue. Transportation of cholesterol from liver to other tissues. Liver to other tissues. Low density lipoproteins are synthesized from the VLDL in the blood circulation. It is a transportation of the cholesterol from liver to other tissues. The next one, fourth classification, HDL. High density lipoproteins. High density lipoproteins. So high density lipoproteins are the mostly synthesized in the liver. These are also synthesized in the liver like a VLDL. This one is synthesized in the liver. The next one, they are the what is the functions of the HDL? The functions of the HDL, the first classification. What is the first classification? Chylomicron functions. The next one, VLDL functions and LDL functions are maintained, and as well as the participated in the transportation of cholesterol from tissues to liver. So what is the LDL function? Cholesterol from liver to tissues. What is the HDL function? Liver to tissues. The next one here, what is and as well as maintain the chylomicron functions, VLDL functions, LDL functions also. That is the importance of the HDL. And the next one and last one classification is the fatty acids. Fatty acid is the fifth classification. Fatty acid. So the free fatty acid, which one fatty acid? Free fatty acids. The free fatty acids are in the circulation are the bound form to a albumin, and each molecule of the albumin can hold down. So for example, albumin. The albumin is hold down 20 to 30 molecules of free fatty acid. 20 to 30 free fatty acid. The free fatty acid examples is albumin. The albumin hold the 20 to 30 free fatty acids. So these are the lipoproteins cannot separated by the electrophoresis. So remaining 1, 2, 3, 4 classifications are separated by the electrophoresis. This one is not separated by the electrophoresis method. So that is one is example. That is one is the fatty acid, free fatty acid. So what is the lipoproteins? Lipoproteins is a complex of lipids and proteins, and it is involved in the transportation of the fat and energetic compounds, is known as the lipoproteins. Lipoproteins are classified into 5 types: chylomicrons, VLDL, LDL, HDL, free fatty acid. So what is the next one? Each and every lipoprotein are synthesized in the intestine, liver. The next one, VLDL, LDL, and different classification, different type of lipoproteins are synthesized in the different organs, depends upon the activity. And the next one, it contains the mainly involved in the transportation of the exogenous compounds, endogenous compounds, cholesterol from liver to tissue to liver. So this is the functions and classification of the lipoproteins. So if you have any doubts, tomorrow we will discuss later.